Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a decluttering organization of my closet slash all my clothes. So our electricity went out. I wasn't planning on doing this today because I wanted to edit some videos, but plans changed. But I've been needing to do this for a long time and I keep procrastinating, even though it was one of like the first KonMari things to do. I don't know why, it just feels like such a task, but I need to just tackle it, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to show y'all everything I have and do the KonMari way of putting it on the bed, getting everything on there. So I do want to get rid of stuff because I don't wear half of it, so like why have it? Like I just don't. So I just need to get rid of it and be more simple. So I really am going to do that, and I'll just show you guys where I'm starting at. Okay, so there's my shoes. I've gotten rid of a lot of shoes, and I think most of those I'm keeping. But here's my clothes, and this is because I got rid of a whole bunch when we moved in about 6 months ago. And then there's just some more stuff up there. It's not like too much, but like I said, I don't wear about half of it, so like, why am I holding on to it? And then I have some PJs and LuLaRoe leggings. So yeah, and then bathing suits since it is Hawaii, but I literally only wear like one or two, so not that many. My winter clothes, oh my gosh, don't mind. Okay, so this is the office that is a hot mess, but this is like all my winter stuff, and it goes all the way back here. Bridesmaid dresses that I'm obviously not gonna wear. I love them and I'm hold on to them for a long time, but I'm not gonna wear it, so I need to get rid of stuff that I don't absolutely love. So that is my goal. I'm super excited to finally be doing this. I know it should have been one of the first things, but like this I haven't worn. It still has tag, but I've had it forever. And yes, my kids are home, so because it's Sunday. But yes, I'm going to get rid of it.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the
Okay guys, here's everything. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's piled high pretty. Like it fills up my whole bed. And I obviously wear like a few things out of here.
and I close my eyes to see.
So on these clothes, I am just trying to decide if they truly give me joy. And if I haven't worn it in a while, I'm just going to get rid of it because I am most likely not going to wear it. So I really try to focus on that, and then especially focus on those items that I've had for a long time that have like a special meaning or emotional meaning to me. Those are the items I really had to think. That way I could move on and go forward. So that was like the hardest part, is those things that were more of an emotional attachment for me. This was very exhausting on many levels, physically and emotionally, but the overall benefit was like beyond worth it. The benefits you get from getting rid of stuff that you're not using or that doesn't give you joy, what has been the best part. I love looking at my closet, not feeling so overwhelmed and having to go through items that I don't even wear. So this process was definitely crucial but it was beyond worth it. So I truly encourage you guys to declutter and be thankful for the items that you do have. So I am going through all my winter clothes, like the long sleeves that I don't get to wear here in Hawaii, and I'm trying to see if they give me true joy when I touch them. So that's why you'll see me like looking at it, touching it. That's what I'm trying to decide, and if it doesn't give me joy, I am going to thank my item for what they did do and then pass it on to someone that will hopefully get better use out of it. So that's what I'm doing. This is one of the emotional things, but really it just made me sad, unfortunately, because it makes me think of my dad. So it wasn't something that brought me joy, and of course I kept his picture, and of course I have memories from that marathon that I ran, but ultimately it makes me kind of sad looking at that. So it was definitely time, and as you see me, I am thanking some of these items here because this was the hard part. And then like the dresses of like maid of honor dresses and bridal dresses, that was hard too. It doesn't look that big, but it's like a massive pile. And then just organize all of this now. And I may like go back and like think some items. But this is like huge. It's like almost to that I'm getting rid of. Wow. Some things I am totally emotionally attached to that I have not been wanting to let go for whatever reason. So definitely hard. But I'm gonna keep going.
If we keep our faith, sometimes I'm like a whisper in a ride.
Hey guys, so I am all done finally, so I'm going to show y'all the reveal. My battery's low, so I gotta do this quickly, but finally I'm done. Transformation. Oh my goodness, I can't even. Like I even fit my winter, which I'm not gonna use winter. I'll just scoot this over though when I'm done. So yeah, this is stuff I'm not going to be wearing here in Hawaii, but I definitely wanted to keep it, and it's not that much. And then I have my undershirts, and then my dresses. Wear a ton of dresses here, and then from here to here is like my shirts. And then I have my workout right here. Workout shirts. And then I have shorts, and then like comfy shorts, like workout shorts, and then workout pants, and then just pants in general, and like just 2 jeans, pretty much, 3 jeans. These right here, I just need to get a few more black hangers. I actually had all of these, so I switched them all over, and then I had, hold on, and then these I just used black for now because I didn't have any more of those. So obviously I didn't use stuff slides off. Way easier. And then I got rid of all of these hangers. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm in disbelief with all these clothes that I'm going to donate. Like, it's just a lot. It's so much.
Time is now.
Alright guys, so that is my whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some KonMari inspiration and motivation. It did take me like 3 hours to do it, and like I've said in the past in the other videos, it does take some time. So just take the time, make sure you have the energy for it, and tackle that closet. This is something that I've been needing to do for a long time, and like I said, I've done it when we first moved here, but I was holding on to those items and they weren't doing anything for me. They weren't being used. So just truly try to think about what is important to you and what brings you joy. And I really have found that that's what has helped me, and thanking your items has really helped me like move on. So I hope this helps you guys in any way, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you join my little family, which is just starting, but I would really appreciate it. And here's Brayden. Jake is somewhere, but I hope you guys have a beautiful day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
You get some reps.